Hello dear students, this is Jasveer Kaur, JK ma'am is here to teach you your geography, social science, class 9. Although we have discussed this chapter number 2 very detailed form, but then also I considered that I should tell you some important terms in other way, how the question can be asked in your board examinations. From that, in this chapter we have done tectonic theory, earth plates tectonic theory. In that we have studied about 3 type of activities of the earth, right? Earth plates, right? And what is the result of 3? That folding, faulting and volcanic eruptions. I am telling intentionally all these things because from this video only I will put you some viva questions for oral test. You have to prepare converging and diversion. Conversion of the boundaries, earth plate boundaries, like they may come together, come closer to each other, different plates, when due to any underground earth activity, these plates come closer and that resulted into folding, faulting and volcanic eruptions. So here we will try to categorize all these things, right? Specification, categorization of these things, like we can say conversion of the boundaries, earth plates tectonic conversion is there. This conversion takes place when these plates come closer, they may collide and crumble each other. एक दूसरे के ऊपर इस टाइप से हो सकती हैं, इस टाइप से हो सकती हैं. While this activity they may just collide with each other and there may be crumble. They just may collide in this way or directly collision is there. So due to this collision, that folding activity takes place. Right? It is very informative and important for your basic knowledge of plate tectonic earth theory. Then this is diversion. Diversion, it is clear from the name. When earth plates getting diverted from each other. Right? I have given symbolic it for with arrows also. Then there is conversion. When diversion is there, then this is diversion, not conversion, please take care. The plates get diverted from each other. When these plates are getting diverted from each other, so there is no collide and nothing crumble like that. They are getting away from each other and that resulted into fractures in the earth plate tectonic. Conversion resulted into folding and diversion into the fractures. Right? When there is transformation of the earth tectonic plate, then there is volcanic eruption. Then there are volcanic eruption when there is transformation. Transformation of earth tectonic plates. Okay, so this is, there may be 3 marks question, 1 mark question. Each point you may learn as 1 mark question and overall it is 3 marks question. What may be the result of conversion, what may be the result of diversion, what may happen there and what is the position of the plates, earth tectonic plates. And this is, and second my term is Bhangar and Khaddar. You know that these are the forms of soil, these are the types of the soil, right? This soil is formed, both the activities, erosional and depositional activities of river of water, and these 2 types of soils are formed in the northern plains of India. Right, northern plains, you know, on map we have located them, and these plains, mostly the plain area, Punjab, Haryana and that UP, Bihar up to this belt is there. According to that, belt is northern plain, and in other words, we can recognize it as alluvial soil. But alluvial soil, further based upon its age, can be categorized into two categories: Bhangar and Khaddar. Bhangar and Khaddar, these are the category of soil. There are two more words, Babbar and Terai, that are the regions, right? Areas, regions nearby the river basin. That also we have made clear in our previous videos. And here Bhangar is the older alluvial soil and Khaddar is the new alluvial soil. Bhangar is the older and Khaddar is new, right? Because both are formed through the flow of the river, right? By the flow of the river. When you have studied your course of river also there in previous classes, na? River course hota hai, upper course, middle course and lower course. It is for its easy study. Flow of the river water is categorized into three stages: upper course, middle course and lower course, right? Middle course में meanders होते हैं, upper course में ये this activity depositional and this take place, and lower में erosional activity take place, right? One thing more is there, that is Bhangar and Khaddar type of soil is there. It is always formed nearby the river flow of water of river, and Bhangar soil is found in the northern plains, right? Northern plains, northern mountain, northern plains के northern part में, right? Northern plains के northern part में. In other words, we can call it in the upper course of the river, and this is renewed every year. This is in the lower. It lie in the low-lying areas of that river. I mean to say lower course of the river, last stage of the river. From there, it keeps on flowing in a straight way. Keeps on flowing in a straight way. That is the low-lying, and it lies above the flood plains. The older alluvial soil lies above the flood plains, and Bhangar soil is formed. It forms a terrace-like structure, terrace-like feature, right? कुछ वहाँ erosion होता है, आगे आ जाता है, like this one. Like this is the river of the water. You may have seen somewhat like this. This terrace-like feature are there. Right? When we are there on our roof of our house, and this is like a terrace-like, right? थोड़ा सा extra जो होता है हमारे roof से इधर, इसमें थोड़ी railing वगैरह होती है. That is like terrace-like feature. It is formed. Terrace-like feature formed in this Bhangar type of soil. Then we take about Khaddar. It is calcareous deposits are there. Calcareous means to say pebble conchers are there freshly, right? They are in a withering form. This is in the withering form, and it is this new soil is more prosperous, more fertile. Its capacity to grow crops is more than that of this older alluvial soil, that is Bhangar, right? So that is less fertile soil. So in this way, these are the major two differences I have taught you: conversion, diversion of the earth plate tectonic theory. Then I told you about the transformation and their results. Then I told you major type of the northern plain soil that is formed through the flow of the river, alluvial soil, and that is further categorized into two categories: Bhangar and Khaddar. Khaddar is new soil, Bhangar is old. Old one is less fertile, new one is more fertile, like that. You have to take care of all these things, right? So in this way, this is some important large fragments of earth crust torn due to the rising currents are called tectonic plates. What are the tectonic plates? Very, very important to learn here. Tectonic plates are the large fragments of the earth's crust torn due to the rising currents due to the rising currents inside the earth. What is inside the earth? Conversion boundary, diversion and transformation of the boundary. Due to that result, what is the outcome? That is there. So in this way, you have to revise this. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye students.